It's another day, another hotel. Today I am at the Disney Ambassador Hotel, and today we're spending the night here so I can show you guys the rooms, the amenities, the hotel itself. But before we get started on the hotel tour, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you guys can get notified for future videos that may help you on your travel tips as well. Let's begin the tour. Welcome to the Tokyo Disney Ambassador Hotel. It is heavily inspired by the glamour and elegance of the 1930s Hollywood. You can feel its tribute to the golden age to Hollywood with its sleek and luxurious details. But the reason why we're here, let's check out the rooms. So this is the room. It's really, really large. I don't know if it's because we actually have a corner room. I can see the windows like shifting. We also had our luggage shipped over from the Welcome Center. Basic closet, you can put your stuff in here. There's also a safe in here in case you want to leave valuables. They also give you slippers, extra blankets, and another pillow on top. And this is where you can get your makeup done. I like this mirror because it has this nice detailing of the wood, and it has a lei going all the way around. And then opposite of the vanity is the bathroom. A lot of Disney hotels, they've actually split the toilet and the restroom. If you want to have the full thing to yourself, you can just close the door, just like that. Each room has its own theme, and we got Lilo and Stitch. The rooms inside are super clean and luxurious, and I kind of think it's a little more modern compared to the outside where it has more of a retro vibe. It's quite roomy and spacious, and it's something that you just can't not love. So here is the bathroom vanity. Very nice mirror, and there's also very nice detailing on the mirror around it. They have this little stitch that's etched into the glass, and even cute little toothbrush packaging just like the other hotels, along with a really great amenities bag that you get to take home. Oh my god, look how cute this is. This is Lilo in the iconic beginning scene of the movie. I don't know if they actually gave this official name, but I do remember it in the movie. And on this side of the door, this is Stitch playing the ukulele. And the shower unit is pretty large. It has a full tub. They also include the basic amenities of body soap, shampoo, conditioner. With all the detail and love that went into this room, I couldn't help but feel like I was in Hawaii. The room provided a lot of natural lighting, which was really welcome. And with all the artwork and detail of Lilo and Stitch that went into this room, I just made it feel that much more special to me. Oh my god, you guys, this place is pretty large. 2 huge beds. You got the styling and the woodwork on the edge that have the very iconic like Hawaiian look to it. And on one side it has Stitch and the other is Lilo. The cool thing about a lot of Disney hotels is they actually include a trundle bed. And this is really nice because if you have more people staying or maybe just children, they can sleep on the trundle bed. And you just like pull this out, and just like that, you have your additional bed. The hotel does come with just your standard hotel amenities such as a fridge, you've got your tea kettle and ice bucket, along with glasses and mugs for drinks, and of course a little nook to eat and drink at. I love the detailing in the table as well as the pillow on the chairs. So let's talk about the Disneyland Ambassador Hotel. A lot of the rooms at the Ambassador Hotel are actually themed. This one in particular is the Stitch theme, but they also have a Mickey theme. I believe there's a Donald theme. At one point they even had a Kingdom Hearts theme, which is really, really cool. This room itself costs 64,000 yen. It's not as expensive as the Miracosta, but the benefit of the Miracosta is that you get to walk on in into the park. This one is situated outside of that, but it might be a good thing for those that want to kind of avoid the craziness and the noise, that this might be more of their liking. This is a non-smoking room on the standard floor. I think it's ideal for 2, maybe 3 guests. You could do 4 with the trundle bed if you have kids. Having more than that might be a little hard to sleep with in my opinion. There's a few restaurants at the bottom. One of them is Chef Mickey, which is like a character dining. It's more buffet style, so you can do it for lunch or dinner. Unlike the Miracosta, there's actually a more casual dining, so you can just grab and go. And just like all other Disney hotels, you can purchase your tickets to the parks at the hotel when you visit, so you don't have to worry about purchasing them online. Keep in mind that if you're gonna buy tickets here, they do have their own operating hours. I believe it's 6 in the morning to 10 p.m. And also, just like all other Disney hotels, you'll get the happy entry, which allows you 15 minutes into the park before everyone else. If you happen to be hotel hopping between maybe here, Miracosta, or even Toy Story, they will gladly ship it over and send it over while you're at the park having fun. Just like a lot of the hotels, they have a gift shop. I will warn you that they actually have a lot of cute stuff here, and it's a pretty big gift shop. Good or bad, I think they have a few items that you might want to grab before you head out. You might want to buy some drinks and snacks just in case room service or the gift shop is closed, in case you get hungry or a little thirsty. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button down below for more videos, so hopefully they will help you guys plan your next trip. And until next time, I will see you guys then. Bye!